Crazy Chef, big vibe today. Big vibe. No one makes fried chicken like Jamaican people. So today we're making fried chicken Jamaican style. I made fried chicken before, but I made the Barbie fry and the regular fry. Today we're making Jamaican style fried chicken. So dry seasoning in, and the dry seasoning is garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of chicken spice, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cayenne seasoning, and big secret, Jamaican style, green seasoning. That's what they use. Jamaican people use that green seasoning. They use that green seasoning for everything. They use the green seasoning for the curry goat, the green seasoning for the jerk. They just love that green seasoning. So, green seasoning. If you don't know how to make the green seasoning, link in the description right above. So, do that, marinate, soak, put it away, let it marinate, let it smoke, let it get that vibe. So, dry rub, green seasoning, dry rub, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of chicken seasoning, and a little bit of vibe. So, flour in. So, we just don't use flour, we use that cornstarch. That cornstarch gives it that vibe. So, flour, cornstarch, sieve. Yeah, give it a little sieve-a-rooney. Yeah, so as soon as we let that sieve, we let that get all those lumps out, get that air in, and then we go get our chicken well marinated. Throw them chickens in. Look at that. Nice seasoning. Look how that green seasoning just soak up, mix with the dry seasoning to give it that vibe. So, now we're gonna put our chicken in our flour mix. And I don't put anything in my flour. A lot of people put a little black pepper, put a little of this, put a little of that. The spice is on the chicken. That's where we keep the spice, right on the chicken. So, put my chicken in, give it a little rub. So you want to get that, you want to slowly, gently massage that chicken. Gives it that vibe. Shake off that excess flour. See that? Put it aside. Shake that excess flour off. And I said, as always, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Tune into the vibe. So, get all our chicken breaded. And, you know, once you bread all your chicken, so we bread all those chicken, we shake off that excess flour. And I'm telling you, this chicken is gonna be marvelous. This chicken is gonna be good. This chicken is gonna be, like, this is probably one of the best recipes for fried chicken. I'm telling you. The way we do it is just nice, it's crispy, it's flavorful, it's mouth-watering good. So, flour, dust all that chicken, get them all nice and breaded. And then what we're gonna do is, so this is a big vibe right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let it sit. We let it sit for like 5 minutes. Yeah, we let that chicken sit. Just let it sit there for 5 minutes. Don't touch it. After 5 minutes, we put our oil, 325. Yep, I said it. We fry our chicken at 325. So whether you're using a pan or a fryolator, we cook them at 325. So chicken in, look at that, chicken in. That's just a beautiful thing right there. And just wait for that vibe. When this chicken comes out, you'll see why I tell you, like, this is the best recipe for fried chicken. If you've not made fried chicken like we made it on the Crazy Creative Kitchen channel, you haven't made fried chicken. Look how those look beautiful. Look how those look crispy. Look how those look nice. You can pair these with whatever. Look how that just sizzle and just look at that vibe. You don't get a better vibe than this vibe. And if you think the vibe is right, hit that like button. If you think the vibe is right, hit that red subscribe button. Crazy Chef, Crazy Creative Kitchen, we bring that vibe. So, fried chicken, Jamaican style, best fried chicken you could have. We use that secret recipe. We use that green seasoning. Thank you.